Hello, science fans. Are you ready to explore one of the most fascinating topics in technology today? Today, let's talk about artificial intelligence, or AI. You might have heard this term in movies, on the news, or even in your favorite video games. Imagine a computer program that can learn and solve problems, almost like a human brain, but made of circuits and code instead of cells and neurons. AI isn't about making machines with feelings, but about creating smart tools that understand information, spot patterns, and make decisions based on what they learn. We feed computers lots of data, like pictures, sounds, or words, and use algorithms, which are special sets of instructions, to help them learn from all that information. The goal? Build systems that can do things like recognize speech, understand what we say, and even respond in helpful ways, or identify objects in pictures, like telling the difference between a cat and a dog, or spotting a car in a busy street scene. While talking robots are mostly science fiction, AI is already working behind the scenes in our world, helping with things like online searches, recommendations, and even traffic lights. Some AI is built for one job, like playing chess, where it can think ahead and plan moves just like a grandmaster. While others can handle many tasks, from sorting your photos to helping doctors diagnose diseases, showing just how flexible AI can be. The core idea is to use computer power to mimic human problem solving, making machines that can help us tackle challenges big and small. AI is a powerful tool, helping us make sense of our complex world, discover new things, and even predict what might happen next. So let's dive in and see how it all works, and discover the amazing ways AI is shaping our future. Have you ever wondered how a computer can seem so smart, almost as if it's thinking for itself? It's a fascinating process that goes far beyond simple programming. The secret is something called machine learning, a way for computers to learn from experience, just like we do. Instead of giving computers a long list of instructions for every possible situation, we feed them thousands, sometimes millions of examples, like photos of cats and dogs. By studying these examples, the computer starts to notice patterns and differences all on its own. It builds its own checklist or set of rules based on what it sees in the data. This helps it make smart guesses about new things it's never seen before. Even if they're a little different from the examples, the more information and feedback the computer receives, the better it gets at recognizing patterns and making decisions. It's like practicing a skill. The more you do it, the better you become. This learning process is what powers so many of the AI systems we use every day, from voice assistants that understand what we say, to apps that suggest movies or songs we might like. AI learns by taking in data, making predictions, checking if it was right, and then adjusting itself to do better next time. It's a cycle of constant improvement. While it doesn't think or feel like a person, it's incredibly good at spotting patterns and making sense of huge amounts of information. By giving computers access to a world full of information, we help them learn and grow smarter every day. In a way, it's like having a digital student that never gets tired, never stops learning, and is always ready to help us solve new problems. You might not realize it, but you probably use AI every single day, sometimes without even noticing. It's right there on your phone, in your car, or whenever you're browsing online. AI is woven into so many parts of our daily routines that it's almost invisible. For example, when you ask your phone a question and it answers, that's AI understanding your voice, figuring out what you mean, and giving you the best response it can. Streaming services and online stores use AI to suggest videos or products you might like based on your history, your preferences, and even what's trending with other users. In cars, AI helps vehicles stay in their lanes, brake automatically to avoid accidents, and even monitor traffic conditions to keep you safe. Your GPS uses AI to analyze real-time traffic and find the fastest, most efficient route to your destination, saving you time and frustration. Even your email inbox is smarter because of AI. Filters sort out spam, organize your messages, and help you focus on what matters. Search engines use AI to scan billions of web pages and instantly find the most relevant results for your questions, making information accessible in seconds. Even your phone's camera uses AI to recognize scenes, adjust lighting, and enhance your photos so they look their best. No photography skills required. From small conveniences like autocorrect and smart replies to big innovations like self-driving cars, AI is quietly working in the background, making life smoother. It's not just a futuristic idea, it's already here, making our lives easier, more connected, and even more fun every single day. AI is everywhere, quietly helping us in ways big and small, and it's only going to become more important as technology keeps advancing. AI brings amazing benefits and some challenges. In medicine, AI helps doctors spot diseases early and discover new treatments. It makes industries safer and more efficient, helps farmers grow more food, and aids scientists studying climate change. But there are speed bumps. AI could change jobs, so we need to prepare workers for new roles. Privacy is a concern since AI needs lots of data, so we must protect our information. AI can also pick up human biases from data, so we have to make sure it's fair and transparent. Building trustworthy AI is our responsibility. Used wisely, AI can help everyone. The future of AI is just beginning, and we get to shape it. AI isn't about machines taking over, it's about humans and machines working together. Imagine AI helping students learn, curing diseases, or exploring space. The key is to stay curious and keep learning about how AI works. We bring creativity and values. AI brings speed and pattern finding. By combining our strengths, we can solve big problems and make new discoveries. The adventure is just starting. Let's guide AI with wisdom and care. The future with AI is ours to write. Let's make it a great story.